In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to reset your PIN number on your Facebook Messenger app. So the simplest way of doing this is going into your Facebook Messenger app on your device. Once you're here, tap the three lines and menu button in the lower right-hand corner. Once you're here, you want to tap into Settings, which should be somewhere towards the top. Once under Settings, you want to go to Privacy and Safety. Once under Privacy and Safety, you want to go to End-to-End Encrypted Chats, which should be down just a bit. And once you're there, you should see an option here that says Message Storage. Tap on that option there. And then you can see where it says how you sync your chat history. There's a button there that says Reset PIN. Tap on Reset PIN, and then it will give you the option to reset the specific PIN. Enter the one you currently have, and then add a new one. If you forgot what your PIN number is, then what you have to do is just try to sign into your Messenger, go to Forgot PIN, and then it will send you an email to the connected email address. You confirm that you own it, and then it will allow you to reset it that way. Couple of troubleshooting tips here. Make sure your Messenger app is up to date. If it's still not showing, make sure you try to clear the app cache. Go into Apps and Messenger and clear cache. If you're locked out, you have to wait the duration and then use the Forgot PIN option. And then if you've lost the email for recovery, you'll actually have to contact Facebook support directly. There's no workaround for that. But this is how you reset your PIN number on your Facebook Messenger app. I'll have the pinned comment down below with frequently asked questions. If this helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.